What do we have here? Wiring harness for Golf R. Golf R. That's what we have here today. Yep. But you will see here. Oh, this car came in and have some issues with electrical problems. You can see this is the old one, the new, just finishing from installing the new one. I said let me show you guys something. Yeah, see, take a look. You see, have joints. I don't know what this type of connections. As you can see, it's what it is. It is what it is, you know. It is what it is. You have one that is completely cut off. Some, you see, like this, like this. It's cut off. The socket is inside the car. Kept it inside the car. I'll show you guys later. All have, see, you see, you see. So on so many of them, take a look. Take a look. Take a look. See here. This one is cut off completely. Like this is just the insulator that is holding the head. If not, it will also fall like the other ones. See, the same here. All of them like this. The wiring harness was fucked up. Yeah, it's completely fucked up. That is it. That's what we had today. That's what we had today. So the new one has been installed. Everything's okay. The car is starting. Everything okay. Let me show you guys. I need to start the car. There you go. The car is now running perfectly, as you can see. Yeah. Here is other piece. Here is the other piece. See? That's it. Car is running now perfectly with no problems. And here is the old one. So that is it. Thank you. Over and out.